Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can sync the Google Calendar into your Outlook calendar. So first, when you're in your Google Calendar, what you want to do is you need to choose your calendar that you want to sync. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and you want to click on this three dots right here, and you want to go to settings and sharing. And once you're here, you want to just go to the integrate calendar right here, and you want to copy this iCal format for the secret address. You want to just click on this one to copy, click OK, and then you want to go to the Outlook calendar. You go click on this add calendar button right here, you go to the subscribe from web, and you copy the link or the secret code to here. So you paste it. Okay, you can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it test. You can choose the color, you can choose the icon or the charm, and click import. So it is importing and it has been updated, and now we can just see right here, and there you go. Now you know how to import your Google Calendar and sync it into the Outlook calendar. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.